Hi, I'm Gaynor White and today I'm going to show you how to crochet a coin purse. You could make these in all different sizes, a large one which you could put your coins, obviously lipsticks, tissues, everything else in there as well. You could also make a mini one which I've attached to a keyring chain, which is really useful for having in your car for those pesky coins for the supermarket trolley, etc. And you could even make a long one for your glasses. So today I'm going to show you how to do a basic main size one with these nice little clips that you can get on the internet for not very much money. So you do a double crochet in the chain space, then a chain, double crochet in the chain space, then a chain. And that's it. And you keep on going for as long as you want to make the purse, as big as you want to make the purse. So this round here I've done, you can see the linen stitch all the way up to the top, however many rows that is. So if you want to do your glasses case, you carry on doing loads more rows. And if you want to do a smaller one, you finish with however many rows you want to do.